Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I'm going to show you how to record screen on any Itel phone. Let's begin. Now all you want to do is simply expand this little panel here, and then you want to click the screen recorder option. Oh, sorry for that. As you can see, you don't have to expand the panel. I just did that so you can see this text label that says indeed screen recorder. So now we simply click it, and as you can see now we are simply recording the screen. We can do whatever we want here. We can also move this little moving window here. If it annoys us, for example, we can move it to the top, and we can do basically anything we want. And then we want to basically hit this and then the little save icon, and now as you can see our video is ready to use. We can also go into the settings option, and here we have a few different options for the screen recorder. We can choose to record microphone sounds. We can change the image quality if we want to have lower one, which will allow us to record longer videos. We can show tabs, or we can also automatically enable do not disturb whenever the screen recorder is recording screen. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.